So guys, dyan kilaw na direct na hanap na do diri sa Play Store. Ang pangalan kay Lamar Idol Vlogger. So amin na guys, amin na do. So I hope you all like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share and hit the bell and turn notification if you cannot miss my daily videos. So guys, nag-loading pa. Ito na to. Ay, ano pala yun siya guys, oh. Nandito yung subscribers. Dito, oh. Ito guys, oh. Dito guys, oh. Dito guys. Doon pala.